Hi, I'm Lizzie Keith. I'm studying at SRUC Elmwood, NC in horticulture, and we are the Elmwood Bookworms. Well, it was a joint decision. There was about 4 of us decided, and first of all it started off as a main literary garden with Shakespeare, and it's evolved into children's literature. Yes, it was a lot of work in the planning, in between assessments, lunchtime spent sorting plants, and yeah, it's been really busy over the last few weeks, just getting everything ready to come over.
Hi, my name's Elizabeth Callaghan. I'm the head gardener at SRUC Oakridge campus. I've designed the garden called Hidden Depths with the help of volunteers who are all ex-students of Oakridge campus. The idea is that it's a front garden, north facing, quite a shady garden, so all the plants are shade tolerant, but the main thing is that it provides off-street parking, because we know that parking is at a premium, plus providing good drainage in the front garden as well. Quite often front drives are now monoblocked or paved, so we're trying to encourage people to use porous materials so that any excess water will drain off.